What the hell are we gonna do today? It's hot. It's not even May, and I'm already sweating. Damn, big ass pimples making my damn head hurt. I'm always wearing hats, and when it gets hot out, obviously I'm wearing a hat, and like sweat just builds right there, and it just makes these massive pimples. It's annoying. Anyways, but yeah, I think I wanna work on the Corvette today. I got all that aero over there that's been sitting for like 3 months. I might put the front lip on. I don't know if I want to do the side skirts yet because we got to riv nut those in, and this I can just like drill in and put like a screw or a bolt or whatever. This thing's just been sitting. Like I got the body kit on, got it painted, paint corrected everything, and now it's just like waiting on parts. Like I'm waiting on brakes, I'm waiting on coilovers, I'm waiting on wheels, tires, like nothing else to do on this car. So I think I might put some aero on it. I might put that front lip on it. Ignore this, this is just like rubbing compound, I never wiped it off. I also did that. I didn't film it, but I put some black vinyl on like the center section of the taillights. It used to be red in the center, now it's black. I think it looks so much better. Like, I don't know, it just looked weird with the red. Like it didn't flow. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you guys think that's cool. I think it looks a little bit better. But yeah, I think we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna get the front lip on this thing, and then maybe the side skirts, probably not. Let's just do the front lip for now, we'll see how it goes. Also, I thought I was gonna like these clear side markers on the front and the rear. I hate them. I absolutely hate these. I think they look terrible. So I'm probably gonna black those out. Maybe I'll spray it with red tint, I don't know. And after 2 months of body work on this front bumper, I found a goddamn OEM brand new one. I know, bullshit. Did all that work, spent all that time on this bumper, aftermarket fiberglass crap, and then I end up finding a brand new OEM one. So, cool. Don't get me wrong, I'm blessed to live in this house, and I love that I have 2 cars. But having a 2-car garage with 2 cars when you gotta work on both of them kinda sucks. So if there's anybody out there that wants to give me a house with a 3-car garage, let me know. So before we begin today's festivities, I gotta move this turd. Give me a second. Ignore the squeak. Gotta get a new belt tensioner. I gotta pull the vent in the middle of the garage. There's not enough room on that side. Nice. Oh, that was sketchy. I thought I was done with this low car shit. Tired of doing this kind of stuff, man. That's why I'm putting 19s on this thing. Tired of doing that. All right, let me back this thing up onto the bricks, jack it up, we'll get to work. So get this, right? I just had the clutch replaced in this thing yesterday and I picked it up this morning. I think they messed up. I think the shop installed my transmission backwards. Like if I go into first gear, it goes into 6th. If I put it in reverse, it goes to 2nd. If I put it in 4th, it goes to 3rd. They're saying everything is fine. I don't believe it. So if this has ever happened to you guys, let me know. I've been going to the gym lately. I don't know if you guys can tell. Fucking jacked. I'm already tired. Alright, got this thing on jack stands. I start putting this front lip on. I went to Ace Hardware and I got, it comes with these right here. These shitty little self-tap screws. I'm not using those. I'm bougie. I went and got like actual nut, bolt, and washers to use. Makes it easier to take on, take off. Fiberglass on the front bumper ain't gonna get stripped. And it's just a solid mount, so let's begin. Since it's gonna be on the front of the car, and the front of the car is gonna be like low, I'm gonna keep messing these things up. And I'd rather have, this is not even real fiberglass, this is plastic. I wanted plastic, I didn't want fiberglass because it doesn't just crack, it explodes. So I figured since the car is gonna be so low, Might as well just get a piece of plastic that looks like carbon fiber for 85 bucks. And if I break it, I'll just get another one. So that's my reasoning. I don't want to hear anything from you people. Really? You guys will not believe how much I paid for this lip. Don't look at my goddamn toes. All right. Third, I paid 85 bucks, I think, for this thing. Good old China, baby. So before I went to the hardware store, I was looking for bolts that fit in the holes of the lip, and I found out the M6 is perfect, but what I forgot is that there's other holes on this lip, and this does not fit. So we're gonna have to drill these 6 holes out just a little bit bigger, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know how to count. We're gonna drill those out just a little bit bigger, and then the M6s should go through all the holes on the lip. Money. Nice. So I kind of got the front lip on there and lined up. The center bolt and nut is in there, and I just have the jacks holding up the 2 sides. I won't lie, I completely understand why this lip is 85 bucks. All these holes underneath, like that hole right there. I don't know if you'd be able to tell. That hole right there, this hole right there, none of them line up. So I'm gonna have to take the drill with the drill bit, just drill some new holes, not a big deal. I'll probably be running this lip. If I break it, I'll buy the same one. So the holes will work for the next lip. But yeah, that's a little update for you guys. Looks aggressive. I'm liking it. All right, well, it's on, it's done. It looks really good, but if I'm being honest, it fits like shit. If this lip was anything over 85 bucks, I would be furious. But because it's so cheap, I can't really complain. I'd kind of look like a douchebag if I complained. So I got it all on. As you guys know, with these cars, there's a little gap right here. This gap is about, I don't know, the tip of my finger. And then on this side, it's like the whole finger. I don't know. I lined it up the best that I could. I had to drill all new holes. I'm covered in fiberglass, which is not fun. But as you can see, we got all the bolts on. This one's in. I'm not even gonna put this one in on each side. I'm not even gonna put those in because it fits so bad. I don't want it to crack the paint from pressure. But I got those 2 on. I got the 3 center ones. I got the 3 center ones in. God, this lighting is terrible. And then I got the 2 on the outside in. All new holes drilled, but I mean, it lines up. Like, it's not like terrible. As I'm sitting here working on the Corvette, we got a special delivery. Shout out to the guys at Parts Shop Max. I'm excited as hell about this, but that's for a later video. I was just too excited. I had to show you guys.